So we are at the Palma Boat Show, and there's the Fairline stand, but we've shown you that lots and lots of times already. We've seen some really interesting boats, and I just want to show you a couple of them really quickly. So let's go. Yes, there's loads of boats here, but these sailing boats, not really interesting, Cole. You see them? It's not really our bag, is it? But up here I've seen something really interesting. Carl, look at this. Look at that. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 500? So it's 2,000 horsepower. I mean, that is just, I don't know, what do you do with a boat like that? I mean, is it just a party? Who's it made by? Myriad. I've never seen anything like it. And also, having the dark black hull, I mean, it looks really good and stealth, but can you imagine how hot that is if you set your arse on it when you're out in the 30-degree heat? I suppose maybe you're going so quick you can't, the sun can't catch up with it.
Constant polishing, right?
Yeah, but I mean, don't those engines look good? It's the kind of thing you see at Miami, isn't it? But I've got something really funny to show you around the corner. So okay, so this is the new Cranchi 62 Fly, and it's powered by twin Volvo 1000s. But the first thing you notice is it's metallic pink, which is special order, and it's got a lot of black detail. See the black passerelle and stuff? So let's jump on. And it's 3.5 million euros ex-tax, and it's got fins, and it's got a gyro. We're not doing a full tour, we're just going to have a little peek. Oh, this is quite funky. Very contemporary. This is the first time I've been on it. I've not even been on it before filming, so. God, it's like an Italian penthouse, isn't it? Oh, so by the positioning of the steering wheel, Carl, what can you tell? That it's not a planing boat. Right. Because it's obviously a trawler style. Because if it's planing, the wheels like that, and if it's trawler, it's like that. These seats are nice. The size of those screens. I'll have to ask Lewis how fast it goes. Oh, I've got some new socks today, Carl. These are people sunbathing on the beach. Can you see?
They're funky.
Yeah. The thing is, my feet are so fat that it doesn't look like people sunbathing on the beach. Lewis, I've got one quick question. Lewis is the dealer for Mallorca. What is the speed? It's a trawler yacht, yeah?
Yeah, speed is cruising 24 knots.
Yeah, 24 knot cruise.
Knots, maximum 32. So it's decent.
So it's a bit plain, semi-plain.
Yeah, it's semi-plain.
Why is the steering wheel vertical then?
Yeah, I mean it's just only for decoration, but
right.
It's a planing hull.
Oh, okay. So it's shaft drive.
It's IPS.
Twin IPS.
Yeah.
God, it breaks all the rules, this one, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, we're going to have a wander around. Thank you. Okay, so ignore everything I said. It's a planing hull. It does 32 knots. It's got IPS. I think this must be the master. It's like a maze, Cole. Look. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. It's like, what's that game you used to hop across the road? Is it Hopper? You know the one? You used to hop, leapfrog?
I don't remember that.
Oh, really? Oh. Anyway, it's the master. Big TV. Bed looks a little bit small, I'll be honest with you. Maybe it's all the pillows. Very light, very contemporary. Yeah, it's quite nice. Ceiling's kind of funky. Sock sofa. I mean, the sock sofa's good. Look, you do socks in there, no problem. Nice porthole. Bathroom. It's nice, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the other rooms. Anyway, like I said, we're not doing a full tour. Actually, let's not even bother looking at the other rooms. I assume it's got 3 cabins. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So let's have a quick peek at the Fly. Very Italian. It's weird because those vertical steering wheels made me think it was a trawler style, like that one, which is definitely a trawler style.
Fleming, isn't it?
Yeah. So, Woodwork's nice. GRP's good. I love the pink metallic, don't you? Big sunbed. Pink metallic. And while we're here, we can have a little look at the show. So we've got Williams over there. There's the cathedral. Cranchi is at the end of our Pantalon. We're at the end of this one, aren't we, Carl? Down that way. So this is the Fleming 60. We're going to say hello to David, so pop on. Now, this is a man's boat. You know that, don't you, Carl? This is what the men buy that want to travel the world, because it's built like a brick house. Hi, David.
Good morning, James.
How are you? Very good, sir.
Yeah,
Very good.
you well?
Yeah, really good.
Good stuff.
Is this a new model then, the 60?
It's a new model, yeah. So it's based on the 58, but they moved the transom a couple of feet further aft. Build this what we call a California deck.
Yeah.
And you get a very small but serviceable crew cabin underneath.
Okay.
So this is really more for the Mediterranean.
Mediterranean, yeah. And I've got to ask, how much?
This boat's for sale, 4.5 million VAT paid with everything on it.
Pounds or euros?
Pounds.
£4.5 million VAT paid. That's the price of the best. 4.5 million. You'll never break this. You're right to have a little
Have a wander through.
wander.
Help
Yeah.
yourselves.
We're not going to do a full tour. We're just going to have a quick look. Look at the woodwork, Carl. It's proper. Look, all fiddle rails. Everything's. Look at the floor. The floor's like jumping on concrete. Feel that floor? Wish that you'd broken it. Yeah. Oh, look, it's a gentleman's yacht. Oh, let's have a look at the fly. Come on. Look, there's even ELO music playing. I mean, how good's that? Fleming, I just love Flemings. I mean, everything. I mean, look at the barbecue. It's even got a proper barbecue. Looks like they've actually used the barbecue as well. Oh, this boat is so nice. I tell you what, let's have a look at the master cabin. Carl, come down here. This Fleming is a joke. Do you know what I love? Look how pointless that is, that little windowsill. But it's just nice, isn't it? Here's the owners. Oh, you can imagine this would be like the captain's cabin on the Mary Rose, wouldn't it? Look. Look, everything's just so strong and beautifully built. I mean, it's not a fast boat, but you can go to the Arctic Circle in it. You know, instead of saying, oh, we're going to the beach today, we're going to the North Pole. You come in. We're just going to go there for a few months. You know, that's the seat. Look, everything's just... God, I can hardly lift that. That's the vanity mirror.
Where you can do your makeup, James.
Yeah, that's why I did makeup. David said I should look at the engine room, so I'm going to take the camera off you, Carl. Because if David says something's worth looking at, then it usually is. Just bear with me. Wowzers. Oh my God. This is, look at all the filters, everything labelled. I love MAN engines. God, it looks like they've actually polished the top of the engines. Look at all the switches, the water maker. Got glass panel there. God, an engineer would wet his pants in here. And everything's beautiful and white and clean, and I can even wear my socks. Proper sea door. Onan generator. It is beautiful. Before we go, we're just going to walk up the side decks just to show you how big it is and the lovely bulwark and the teak floor. Portuguese bow. This is a proper Portuguese bow, so you shut this door, Carl, and the waves hit this here. twin anchors, massive anchors, couple of anchors. Look at the windscreen wipers, look, everything, the horns, even the horns are manly, aren't they? Zoom into the horns. Look at the size of those horns. I've found our next range of sports boats, son. Look at this. Hello.
Hi.
You right to look at the car?
Sorry, Spanish? No?
I speak Essex. It's like a bit of English.
Okay, my English little.
Yeah, so's my English little, yeah. So, how much? How?
80,000.
Eight-
80,000 import, no import inclusion.
Can I get in it?
Um,
Can I get in? Can I get in the back?
the boat was 216.
Yeah.
Just key.
Yeah, can I get in?
Yes.
Yeah.
One more. Is a push?
No, I want to get in. Sit in it.
Ah.
Can I sit in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 80,000 euros, Carl. And it's got a jet engine, yeah? Petrol. Right, let's go round, Carl. How'd you get through there then? Okay. Oh, we've got to open the roof.
Yes.
Oh, right. It's got a convertible. Right, okay, because I was wondering how I was going to get in between those seats. I've got a crash helmet as well.
In the limited.
Limited edition, Carl.
Okay. In the
Number one.
Yes.
I've got a foot throttle, look. How fast?
Yes. Is the push avant. Okay. It's called jet ski.
Jet ski.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Okay. Is
Yeah, neutral. Backwards.
Yes.
Forwards. Oh, yeah, Carl, look at this.
It's got a good shout window, hasn't it?
Yeah, get the fenders in. I love it. Let's get a picture, Carl.
para esta la isla de navegación. Más bajo.
You got a picture?
100 metros y... Sí.
Oh, you got? Are you filming still?
Un motor de jet ski, pero del barco.
I think I'll get that.
If you need a crash helmet, it's like, oh.
That's not a good sign.
Exacto, sí, ya una turbina, pero
This is unbelievable.
exacto, este es un paraguas.
Mind you, can't you buy a normal Fiat 500 for like £5 grand? So 80 grand is quite an expensive Fiat, isn't it? Anyway, I love it. Let's get out of here. I don't know why, but it's got really hot. It's kind of a really amazing, but like pointless thing, don't you think?